Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download all emails from your Gmail account with just a few clicks. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. So what you want to do, guys, is open a new tab in your Google Chrome browser or any browser you're using and type in the search for your Google search, take out account Google or take out Google simply, and after that pick one of these uppermost search entries here. For example, I will go with the second one, Google Takeout. That will take you to that page here where Google will ask you to confirm that you're logging in with your current Gmail or Google account. So confirm that by typing in your password. After that, you will be taken to the homepage of Google Takeout. Here you can choose the Google product you would like to save and export on your computer, for example, by downloading it. So scroll down till you get to Gmail. Select it by checking that box here to the right. So as you can see, one of 68 is selected. In this case here, my Gmail account. And what you want to do also, guys, is make sure that all mail data here included is selected. So click on it. And from the following list, make sure that the uppermost option, include all messages in email, is selected, or either, if you don't fancy that, simply unselect it and select inbox from that drop down menu here if you only want to save and export your messages and emails. So let me do that really quickly. After that, confirm by clicking on OK, and on the following page scroll down to the very bottom and click on that button here, next step, to continue with the exporting process. After that, scroll down and here choose the file type or the output file type, which in this case here would be zip, because these emails will be packed in a zip file, and also select the maximum zip file size. If your zip file exceeds that file size here of 2 GB, for example, it will be split into multiple files. So confirm by clicking on Create Export here, wait for the exporting to be finished, and after that Google will start creating an export for you depending on the file size. This may or may not take a while, of course, and once finished you'll receive an email to your Gmail account with a download links to click on it and to download your exported emails on your device. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.